Good day mga kaponkan! This is the Orange Guy speaking. At sa video na to, I'm going to share how I made 6 figures a month with one client using this exclusive referral strategy. At believe me, I really love this strategy kasi wala akong ginagawa to get this client. Yes, I just provided result with my client right now at ni-refer niya kami kasi they love our strategy, they love our service, at nag-refer siya ng isang client sa amin at boom! Nakuha namin siya. And that's also what I like with referral marketing strategy, guys. But, merong but dito kasi you need to be very good. You need to provide results to your clients as well. So, let's dive in. I'm going to share with you how we made that. Alright, pakita ko lang yung screenshot na to. Ayun, no? 1,757.97. This is paid amount. Awesome. So, I really love this, guys. Let's go. Let's dive in sa training, no? Want to quit your 9 to 5? Join the School of Profits. We teach Filipinos step by step how to make real money online. Pinost ko siya dito sa school namin. This is a community where you can learn digital marketing, agency building, freelancing, or how to make money online. Join lang kayo dito sa school.com, School of Profits. Now, going back here, pinost ko siya dito, no? Today, I'm reminded of one simple truth in business. The best clients don't just work with you, they believe in you. So, one of my clients referred someone new to us, and that kind of trust hits different. Ito na, guys. Yun, no? So, meron kaming isang client sa SEO ngayon. And he really loved the results that we provided to him. Nagustuhan niya. Actually, guys, hindi lang to isa but meron na siyang previous na ni-refer din sa amin. So, napakaganda ng concept na referral marketing. And applicable siya sa digital marketing sa amin. It's like a networking. If alam niyo yung networking, 'di ba? Merong mga tao sa baba, 'di ba? For example, ito yung client mo, nag-refer siya ng 2. Tapos yung 2 naman sa ibaba, nag-refer naman ng 3. Tapos yung 3 naman, nag-refer naman sa ibaba. So, napakarami, guys. At this method, pwede na kayong hindi makapaghanap ng client. Kukuha lang tayo ng few clients na ma-provide or na ma-show natin ang result. And this works. So, this one. So, yung client namin, ni-refer kami dito sa tao na to. So, yan, no? So, that client told me, so, nilagyan ko lang ng red, guys, para din nyo mabasa. So, messenger to, di ba? Told me to reach out to you that you have helped grow his business. Ayan, helped grow his business. Ibig sabihin, nagka-result na siya. I have a couple of businesses I would like help with. Boom! Kagandahan dito, hindi na ako humanap. Kasi guys, napaka-different yung approach kung ikaw yung mag-outreaching kusa sila yung nag-contact sa'yo. Kasi dito, hindi mo na ito i-close. Papakita mo lang kung paano mo siya tutulungan. At kung nagustuhan niya, diretso. So, yan yung nangyari dito, guys, no? Kaya namin na-earn yung 6 figure a month sa client na to. Okay ba? Nagustuhan niyo ba yung concept? So, let's start because I really love this method. I call this 10XU. 10U. Ayan, no? You made, you delivered, you were, you solved, etc. So, let's start here, guys. Imagine, isang client referral lang yan. Paano kung marami tayong clients tapos nag-refer silang lahat? No-brainer yan. So first, guys, you made their life easier. So for example, yung client mo ngayon, nagustuhan niya yung results, then clients will refer to other prospects, no? Client refers you when they feel relief, less stress, fewer problems, or no problems at all, or clearer direction. Kapag napadali mo yung life nila, no stress. Karamihan kasi, mga agency or freelancers, they have a problem working with them, but you will become a solution dapat. No? Second, you deliver results they can't ignore. You need to be unique, no? Let's say merong 10 SEO specialist dyan. Now, bakit ikaw yung pipiliin? Kasi you have something sa strategy mo and you are unique. So, gagawa tayo ng results na ikaw lang yung makakapag-implement na hindi nawala sa iba. Whether it's ranking, leads, smoother operations or system because results make people talk. Yan yung nangyari sa amin. We provided results sa client na yan at nag-refer siya ng mga clients pa. Okay? You were consistent. Hindi lang siya result, guys, ha, na ma-provide mo sa kanila. But for me, it's more than that. Kasi we do a communication very well sa mga clients namin. Like we have this minutes-only system na nakakapag-reply na kami sa mga clients namin. Ganon. Hindi yung abot pa tayo ng 2 araw, 3 araw bago mag-reply. Tapos dapat gagawin mo yan consistent. On a daily basis, communication is very good. The results, still there every single month. Ganon dapat. You solve a painful problem. Like for example, sa client na yun, guys, merong mga SEO na nagtatrabaho sa website nila before. However, wala sila nakuhang results. So, lumipat sila, naghanap sila ng another agency. So, that's very painful for them kasi ubos yung pera nila sa other agency. Sa amin, na-solve namin. No? It's boom. When someone finally fixes the thing that's been stressing them for months, they naturally tell others. Next, you made them look good. Client refers you because recommending you makes them look smart to their network. Of course, kasi friends of friends yan sila. 'Di ba? Nag-usap-usap yan sila, guys. Once na nakapag-result ka, they have a meeting, i-refer ka nila doon. And they feel good, they look good as well kasi may results sa ginawa mo eh. 'Di ba? Para ka ng bragging rights din sa mga friendship nila. You exceed expectations. That client think that napakahirap mag-SEO, no? Napakahirap. But with our help, mabilis lang. You were trustworthy. Mapapagkatiwalaan ka nila. What you promised during the first day, dapat nakuha nila yon. No drama, no excuses, no disappearing acts. May mga iba kasi, guys, na after bumayad ng client, and they are gone as well. Huwag ganun, ha? Dapat pag naging clients nyo na siya, mas gaganda pa yung proseso, mas gaganda pa yung delivery ninyo, communication ninyo. Huwag tayo mawawala ng parang bula. You communicate clearly. Communication is the key here. Hindi lang kasi, guys, results or deliverables, but communication matters to them. Kahit at first, ha, kahit wala munang results, kasi SEO takes time eh. But at the very beginning, yung communication ninyo, daily ka nagko-communicate sa kanila, ASAP, instant ka nagre-reply sa mga questions nila, they love it. Okay? Ganon. You are easy to work with. Professional, responsive, and respectful. May mga kakilala ko, guys, napakahirap katrabaho. No? Like, ganito yung proseso, napakahirap. May system na napakahirap sundin, and clients, ayaw nila ng ganon. Gusto nilang madali lang. Gusto nila ng simple, professional, and you have a respect to them as well. Okay? So, it matters as well. And lastly, you help them win. Of course, results matter talaga all the time. Because, guys, if you help them grow, they will help you grow as well. And that's what happened sa content na to. Okay? So, yeah, that's it for now, mga kaponkan. I hope you learned something from this one, and I'll see you sa next video. Ingat!